Hi, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2010 Jeep Patriot. The customer brought the vehicle in for a general inspection. They thought they were hearing some unusual noises coming from the rear, but they weren't quite sure and just wanted a general look over. Once we got it in and lifted it up, we noticed that the rear subframe was actually disintegrating and there were several pieces of it that were actually completely missing. We went ahead and let them know that they were going to need to get that repaired based on a safety issue more than anything. They said, yeah, let's get that taken care of. Got the new subframe back in, took it for a quick drive, made sure that everything was good, got rid of some of those creaks and groans that they were complaining about, made sure the rear end was in alignment just to make sure that they were going to get the proper tire wear after all that stuff was removed and replaced. So if you have a vehicle that's making some strange noises, you're not quite sure where it's coming from or what it might be, we do offer free inspections. My name is Dan, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.